Guys, and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can customize watermark on your photos in the VIVO X90 Pro. So let's start open the camera app, then click here on this gear icon, and as you see there I have a watermark, so tap on it and click here on the watermark info. Now we have a few options to edit. We can enable a watermark on the videos, disable the model name, date and time, current location. If you want to enable that, just grant a permission in the settings, or just tap on the customize and add your own text. Click save, just go back to the camera, take your photo, and how you can see, there you have our customized watermark. This is all, and this is the full one. That's it, thanks for watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.